In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save OneNote to OneDrive. This guide will walk you through the steps needed to ensure your OneNote notes are stored safely and can be accessed from anywhere at any time using OneDrive. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Microsoft account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Microsoft's website. Enter your email and password as prompted, then sign in. This will give you access to all Microsoft Office applications online. Once you're logged in, look toward the top left corner of your screen where you'll find the App Launcher. This icon looks like a grid of small squares and provides access to various Microsoft apps. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select OneNote to access your digital notebooks. Inside OneNote, choose the specific note you want to save to OneDrive. If you haven't created the note yet, you can create one now or select an existing note from your notebooks. Here's an important thing to understand. OneNote is designed to work seamlessly with OneDrive. This means that any notes you create or edit are automatically saved to OneDrive by default. However, if you don't see confirmation that your notes are being saved automatically, it's a good idea to double-check your settings. If autosave isn't enabled, you can save your note manually. To do this, click on the note's name to access the File options. Then click File from the top menu and select Share from the sidebar. When prompted, choose OneDrive as the location where you want to save your note. Confirm your selection and then click Save to ensure the note is stored correctly in your OneDrive account. Storing your notes in OneDrive allows you to access them from any device as long as you're connected to the internet and signed in to your Microsoft account. Remember, storing your notes in OneDrive not only keeps them secure, but also ensures they're always available whenever you need them. That's all it takes. By following these simple steps, your OneNote notes will sync effortlessly with OneDrive, keeping them safe, secure, and accessible in the cloud. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft apps efficiently.